3 tips to incorporate the Pilates method into your daily routine. The first tip is as simple as your breath. This is one of the primary principles of the Pilates method. And so all that you need to do is pause, whether you're sitting, standing, lying on your back, and just start to think about taking a deep inhale through your ribs, expanding your ribs laterally. And then as you exhale through your mouth or your nose, drawing your ribs down and in. Maybe creating a connection to the midline of your body, maybe even feeling your abdominals engage. And just taking 3 to 5 breaths like this through your day. Using the breath to create awareness of your body, to engage in your core, and maybe down-regulate your nervous system if you're having a stressful day. Tip 2, let's talk about pelvis to ribcage stacking. One of the exercises in Pilates is called the pelvic clock. And we can take part of this pelvic clock exercise to find a nice neutral position for your pelvis to stack it underneath your ribcage. So if I imagine that the front of my pelvis is like the face of a clock, my belly button is the 12 o'clock, and my pubic bone is the 6 o'clock, I'm going to gently rock my pelvis toward the 12 o'clock and then rock my pelvis toward the 6 o'clock. And I can do this just a few times, whether I'm in sitting or standing, and just find the sweet spot that's somewhere right in the middle. And in that position, ideally, I can then start to create some stacking of my rib cage on top of my pelvis, which is going to be posturally better for my spine. Tip number 3, incorporating axial elongation to your day. This can be sitting, especially in sitting, and in standing. So after you've found a neutral position, just start to think about creating some length through your spine, reaching out through the crown of your head, through the soles of your feet. Almost imagine you're creating space between the vertebrae of your spine. Axial elongation is one of the primary principles of Pilates. So if you incorporate your breath, your pelvic rocking, and your axial elongation, right there, you're really incorporating the Pilates method into your daily function. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our Pilates Sante channel. Hit the bell so that you get immediate access to the rest of our online content.